Hi everyone, hi. This video, I really want to talk about some transition journey and really to appreciate and acknowledge all your support throughout this time. What's the transition? The transition is that this channel is going to move, the focus is going to move from herbal soup, right, to much more content on education, on helping children to ace exams, on bonding, and definitely we will also be sharing some healthy food, healthy nutrition, because that is a key element to help the children thrive in life, in overall well-being as well. Now, why this switch? It is mainly because we as a family have decided to homeschool my elder boy. And this is a serious commitment. We have got the green light from the government, and that entails, one of the requirements is that I have to be a full-time mom. Full-time mom focusing on homeschooling. And because of that, right, it is much more efficient and also much more valuable, we believe, to share our journey on this homeschooling, but we believe it will be also very valuable to other children who are also normal school, meaning they go to public school or private school. So as part of that, right, so just really want to share with you and also give you that transparency why this channel, has been changing. The thing is, I'll be keeping all the content. So because we will have a part on nutrition, because that is very important to how do you continue to nourish the children's body, the children's brain, mind, because the physical does affect how the brain performs, right? And if you want peak performance, you need to have the peak body as well. Now, then you may ask me, why homeschool? It is a big commitment, yes, both in terms of money, in terms of effort, in terms of this whole trajectory of my future as well. At least in the next 6 years, the focus definitely on homeschooling. Because in Singapore we are bound by this Compulsory Education Act, where first 6 years of the child have to be schooled, definitely have to be educated formally. Now, why homeschool? It is definitely, the first reason is because we believe as parents we are best equipped to give our children the best education that we deem is best suited for his need, for his strength, and also considering his weaknesses and then what the world needs. Second is really because the bonding, it will be so much more bonding, almost like 24/7. And with this bonding and attention, and for my boy, his love language is this spending time together, bonding. So many children are like that as well. So when their love tank is full, when they have all the attention they need from you, they're happy, then naturally they are fast learner, they are much more cooperative in doing what you want them to do. And then third is, of course, we want that freedom, we want that travel, because we do foresee that, we plan to be global citizens. That means we plan to be living in this country for some time. We plan to go where the world treats us best. It could be tax advantage perhaps, or it could be living condition, or it could be cost of living, right? So we want to have that flexibility. And then another one, talking about freedom, is that anywhere, anytime can be an educational opportunities. And I think as a homeschooling parent, I will be much more in tune, right? Or much more much more switched on to educate my children anytime, anywhere, if I'm a homeschooling parent versus if I am not. So because the bulk lies on me, there's no one else to blame if he doesn't do well in his exams. And of course, we're not looking at just exams, we're looking at holistic education. But of course, exams, grades are still very important. Let's not deny that. Okay, so that's what I have. And lastly, I just want to emphasize again, thank you so much for all your support all this time. And if you continue to find this kind of content useful, feel free to stay on and to share with other people which you think, other mummies or parents who think are useful as well. Okay, thank you.